I'm Abby the Maths Tutor, and today I'm going to just quickly show you how you can upload documents into our shared whiteboard so that we can write on them in lessons. The first thing you need to do is press on this clipboard logo here. So if I go and click on there now, up at the top of the page a new button appears that says upload files. So click on that. And you can see I tend to upload a lot of GCSE papers here. Let's just bring one of them over. So when it's bringing it over, it will ask you, do you want to upload the file, just upload it, or would you like to upload it and expand it? If I'm working with a GCSE paper like this, it's over 20 pages long, I generally always want to expand the whole thing so it's just there. So I'll press on the expand button. If you don't expand it, it will all be there anyway, and you can see over here on the left hand side, if I press on that show 24 pages, then it shows everything that's there. I can scroll up and down through them, and if I wanted to just get one page over there, I could, and it appears. Right, I can close that menu now. I'll go back over to the right hand side and I'll scroll back to the start of the document. So here's our paper. Right, I'm on the first page of questions, and you can see it's just a little bit too small. So what I generally do when I go into it is I make sure I'm on the arrow tool that you can see highlighted in the middle at the bottom. I pick up the page, move it around, and then stretch it out so it's a good size. If you hold shift down whilst you're changing the size of objects, then the dimensions will all stay correct, so you won't get any strange stretching effects go on. Now if you switch to the pen, you can just start writing on top of the document. Now because I've expanded this to be taller than the writing space that I've got in front, you might find questions where you want to move up and down. You do not want to be on that original arrow we were on, because if you do, that moves up and down and your writing stays where it was. It doesn't matter, because what we do instead is we go to this button over here that's got 4 little arrows, and then if you press and hold, the whole page moves, including the writing you've just done on it. So it's a really powerful tool, and we can go through a whole document just one page at a time, making it a little bit bigger, and then we can write on it. I hope that was helpful. So I can upload things, parents, pupils can upload things. It's really simple, and then we can just get on and work together.